Alright, so in this video, I want to show you how you can buy any Solana meme coin using Telegram bot. Right, so if you're struggling to buy the coins on your Phantom wallet, you can actually use a bot to buy the meme coin as long as it's a Solana meme coin. So I'll show you how to do that using a Trojan bot, Telegram Trojan bot. You can also use Bonk bot, but I want to show you how to do that using Trojan. So first of all, if you go to Telegram, I'm going to drop the link to the bot so that you just go to the bot direct, because there are so many fake bots. So this is Trojan. Let me go back now. If I come to this place, you can see this one here. This is it here. So that is it. So that is the one I will be using. This is Trojan bot. Now before I will come here, first of all, I will go to my Phantom. Now this is my Phantom, so you must make sure you have money on your wallet. Now if you don't have money on that wallet, you can fund by using receive. So just click on receive, then you copy this wallet address. This is your wallet address, so you copy the wallet address. Once you copy the wallet address, then make sure you send Solana to that wallet address. You can see it is Solana that you're using, so make sure you send Solana to that wallet address. Now once you send your Solana, the amount is going to appear here. In the equivalent in USDT is going to appear there. So now once you have it, the next thing you want to do is to now link this wallet. Remember, this is your Phantom wallet, is to link it to the Trojan bot. So once you link it, then transaction becomes easy. So how do you link it? You click on this drop down here. You can see this drop down. Yes, this one, this drop down here, this one here. Good. So you click on that drop down. So once you click on that drop down, then you click on this pencil icon here for that particular wallet you're going to be using. This is just a tutorial wallet, as you can see here. Blockchainplus tutorial. I use it for tutorial, for teaching. So just open it like this. Now once I click on it, you can now see this place that says show private key. So you open it to copy your private key, but make sure that your private key is secure. I'm showing this one because this is just for general class, right? I'll click on continue. Now your own is for your own use and you have money inside, so make sure it is secured. Now this is my private key, so I'll just copy it. Click on the copy icon to copy. So I've copied it. This is the copy icon, so I've copied it. Now once I copy it, the next thing I want to do is to now go to my Trojan. So once I come to Trojan, I will click on, let me go to home. This is the menu right here. Sorry, let me close this and do it back. You can see the menu right here. Yes, that one. So I'll click on the menu, then I'll click on start. This is the start. So I'll click on start. Now once I click on start, this place comes up just like this. So I'll click on settings. So once I click on settings, then you will see wallets. You can see wallets. So I'll click on wallets. Once I click on wallets, the next thing you will see, you're going to see create a wallet or import a wallet. Now because you want to connect to the Phantom wallet, you're going to be using import Solana wallet. So I'll click on import Solana wallet like this. Once I click on it, then the next thing I want to do is to click on proceed with import. So I click on proceed with import. Once I click on proceed with import, then you can now see provide the private keys you would like to import. So already we'll copy the private key. So I'll just paste it here like this and then click send. Once I do that, let's see, this wallet can't be imported because it's already your active trading wallet. So already I have imported it before. That is why it's saying it can't be imported. Now if I go to my wallets, you can see it here. You can see it here. Let me see. Okay, this is Solana wallet. This is another wallet, and this is another wallet. This one is Ethereum wallet, right? So let me see if truly I have imported it before. I will know by checking the wallet address. So this is the wallet. Let me just open it up like this. Now what is the wallet address? Let me click on receive EXJ7. So let me check again and see if there's any EXJ7. You can see this is it here, right here. So that is it. You can see EXG7. So I've already imported it before. That is why it's here. So now once you import your own wallet will now be connected to your Trojan bot. Now once your wallet is connected to Trojan bots, it makes it easy for you to trade any Solana meme coin. Now for instance, let me now go over to the coin that one of the coins I sent to the group, the one that you're having issues with. But let me go to our group chat again. Let me bring that out. Let me go to our DeFi group. Let me look for feeds. Okay, so yeah, so this is, so I'll just copy it. So I've copied it. That is the contract address. So I've copied it now. So I'll now take that contract address that I've copied and go to the Trojan bot. So here I'll look for the Trojan bot again. So this is the Trojan bot. Then I'll paste it here. I'll paste the contract address here. Now once I paste the contract address, now it pops up all of these things for me, asking me if I want to buy or how many Solana I want to use in buying. You can see here, this place, this one says X Solana. This one says 1 Solana. This one says 0.5. This one says 0.03. This one says 0.1. This one says 0.25. Now, depending on the amount of money you want to use, if you want to use $100, so you click on X Solana. So you put the amount of Solana. But before you put it, because you don't know the exact amount of Solana that is equivalent to $100, you go to your Bybit. Let me just go to Bybit. Click on spot and then look for Solana here. So I'll look for Solana, then open it up and then put equivalent of $100. So $100 is 0.564 Solana. That is equivalent of $100. So I'll now come back here and put the amount here, 0.56564. Once I put it and click enter, it's going to automatically buy the coin for me. Now it's not buying the coin because it's saying insufficient balance. You can see it here, insufficient balance for buy amount plus gas fee. I don't have the money right here in this place, right? So this is exactly how you use Trojan Bot to buy any Solana meme coins in your Phantom wallet. I hope this video has helped you to make this easier and for you to also be able to buy your Solana meme coins. All right, that is it for me in this video. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll attend to your questions for you. All right, guys, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.